We're always wondering why Grok, after Grok 4, didn't release any other LLMs or any other products. Today, right now, Grok released Grok Build. It is an alternative way to use Cloud Code, Codex, Gemini CLI. It is another coding agent, just like Cloud Code, that it lives inside of your terminal and you can use it for build anything that you want. So it released today, you can start using it. Just like Cloud Code, it has skills. You can use plan for any project that you want. It has plugins and ask Q&A for you so it can understand you better. And it has sub agents as well. So if you want to use it, it has some free limited for yourself, but as you all know, it has some SuperGrok plan for you to use it, and you can use it inside of any operating system that you want. Might be Linux or Windows or Mac, doesn't matter. So you can use it. And one thing, it is open source. So we can go to this GitHub repo. It is xai.org/grok/build, right? So you can come here. It is free to use. You can contribute with it, and it is new. So I didn't have time to test it, but it is because of its Grok, because it's from Elon Musk. It always has some cool feature in it, just like Grok. Grok has some cool features in video generating and image generating. So maybe we can use it to build an entire website, even create elements of graphic into it. So doesn't need to add some skills after that. It might have some pre-built skills into it and we can use it. So is it better for us to use it? So look, the differences from the others is it is open source, but the cloud code is not. And but the Codex CLI has some limitation into it, but it's not open source either. The Gemini CLI is open source also. It is Apache 2, but it's not completely. The pricing for the higher price of it for the team and the max mode, it is $300 per month. For the cloud code is also like that. Gemini has some free into it, but it's not very much of a difference for now because it's the first time. But because it's the first time and it's open source and it's a big company behind it, maybe it's cool to use it. So yeah, if you want to use it, just go to this GitHub repo or just go to x.ai/CLI and you can use it in PowerShell to install it. Let's just go PowerShell and just drop in and let it just install it. So yeah, that's pretty easy. You don't need to any extra tools to do that. You can go through the GitHub and download the source and use that. But if you want to just use it, don't want to contribute it, this is a very better way for you to use it. It's easy. Okay, now it is installed. Let's just write Grok and see how it does. Okay, it is connecting. Now it's trying to sign in, I think. Yeah, and I already signed in. Just click allow. Connection successful. And let's just go right in. Yeah, hi. Because I'm in the free version of the user, maybe it can work, but I don't know. Let's hope. Try attempt. I think I need my VPN is also connecting. So what's the problem? Maybe I just change the location. Okay. If you are new in here in my channel, I am in Iran because that's why I need to use VPN. So, oh, it is connecting now. Okay. Okay, now it's connecting and working. And it has some thoughts into it also. Okay. Okay, now it's working. I definitely need to, because I'm in Iran, I definitely need to change the location also, because I guess it's very sensitive in my IPs, but it is working. It is working. So maybe later on I'm going to test it out, maybe see how it's if it's better or not, because I'm not really using the Claude Code or any terminal-based agents, but for me, it's just still the best one is the Z code. Z code is because it's user friendly and has some um, power into it, and I can use GLM 5.2 for some of it for free. And as I told you before, you can use it in NVIDIA API key in GLM 5.2. It is the best one for coding also. So yeah, but for limited time, you can use it for free, the Grok. So why not? Go for it and test it out and tell me what you think about it. So yeah, hopefully this video gives you value, and go for it. And I'm going to post more videos, mostly about new tools, maybe a lot of things that we didn't hear about, but I'm going to test more tools and try to build more projects. Hopefully going to give you more values. And yeah, thank you guys for staying with me to the end of this video, and take care of yourself, guys. Take care, everybody. Bye bye.